Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something a little different. We're going to be making a body butter. Most moisturizers and body butters are full of harmful chemicals like parabens and perfumes, which are toxic to organ systems, and it could also lead to cancers and hormonal disruption, which you just don't want. Your skin is your biggest organ, so everything you put on will absorb straight into your blood system, so you only really need a few ingredients. This recipe only contains 5 ingredients: shea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, aloe vera, and vanilla essential oil. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing we'll be doing is extracting the aloe vera gel from the plants, but before that, you just want to make sure you wash off the toxic yellow substance that forms when you cut off the leaf. Once that's done, you just want to cut the leaves in half and use a spoon to scrape out the gel. This can be a process, but it's kind of therapeutic in my opinion. You should get about 150 ml, and I would recommend blending it and putting it in the fridge. Aloe vera is a great natural moisturizer and can help to soothe dry skin. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce the appearance of blemishes and wrinkles. Next, we're going to melt the shea butter before we add any of the other oils. So bring a pot of water to boil, add a metal bowl on top, and place the shea butter in. You want to melt it slowly so it turns into a liquid consistency. I like to use wooden utensils because it's better for the environment and they also have antibacterial properties. Shea butter is great for your skin. It boosts skin moisture, it has anti-inflammatory properties, and can also heal cuts and scrapes. Once it has completely melted, you just want to let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, you want to add a cup of coconut oil. Coconut oil can reduce inflammation and keeps your skin moisturized. Next, we're adding 250 ml of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is great for inflammation, UV damage and swelling, and can improve the appearance of dark spots. Vitamin E also stimulates blood flow to the skin, which increases the collagen production. Now we're adding 30 to 40 drops of vanilla essential oil. Vanilla oil lowers blood pressure, alleviates muscle tension, and has a calming effect on the brain. This can help with stress, insomnia, and irritability. Once that's all mixed together, we're just going to place it in the fridge overnight for about 10 hours so it hardens.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Now that your body butter has hardened, it's time to start whipping. You can use a handheld mixer or a stand mixer. This will take a little bit of time, just be patient and enjoy the process. After about 10 minutes, it should start looking like this and it's much easier to mix. And now it's the perfect time to add your aloe vera. Just want to place it in and start whipping again. After adding the aloe vera, you'll notice it starts to thicken and look delicious. I decided to add some more vanilla essential oil for that extra smell good, and I also decided last minute to add some cinnamon. This is optional, but cinnamon can help treat hyperpigmentation and acne. It can lighten the skin and decrease signs of aging. Once that's all whipped together and nice and smooth, we just want to place it into a piping bag. I actually just used a Ziploc and cut off the end. This definitely helps when piping the mixture into the jars. Now it's time to pipe the mixture. As you can see, it's super satisfying, and if you were to use a spoon, it would be much messier. This recipe is perfect for about 3 to 4 small jars. Now I'm just tapping the jars to remove any air bubbles and create more room for even more goodness. And the last step is sealing the jars with the lids, and we're all done. Look how amazing these look. This is the best moisturizer I've ever used, no lie, and it's free from any harmful chemicals. This will keep your skin super moisturized and glowing. You can use it on your face and your body. And you can add a label at the end if you wish. Make sure your writing is a little bit more neat than mine. And now it's ready to use. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!